comment. What the
Why?
Man's
why,
even
why,
different.
Why?
It's the pre-game mode. You heard me.
No. Oh yeah, we heard.
Oh god, this site is weird.
You're in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fanatics.
Oh, product found.
Fanatics did not drop.
Buy it now. Oh wow. That was the weirdest thing I've ever experienced in my life.
Yo, I get hit.
Check in order. Let's go!
Jeez.
Let's go, baby! Let's go,
Nice,
baby!
dude.
Actually hit!
Shut
You hit a Pokemon card. Chill
Yeah.
Boom!
Yo,
Let's go, baby!
bro,
Shut
calm
up.
your breath down. God, you're so loud. It's
I'm sorry.
9 a.m.
Dude,
Bro, look,
you're
y'all
at
know me.
You're at 70% for me.
Listen.
I can't hear now.
I never hit, alright? So let me be great.
Bro, I don't
Yay,
care.
I hit two!
Oh my gosh.
That's cool
You
and
spent
all.
4K on Pokemon
Yeah, I
cards,
did.
bro?
I did.
And you think we're the whack ones.
I did.
Your mom's gonna see 2 Charizards.
Yo, what are they gonna look like when they come in a box?
I guess I'll find out.
Cracked.
How's everyone doing today? Hope you all did enjoy the first part of the video. I was very excited, as you all saw, to cop the Charizard off of Belgo. One being the fact that I actually did hit Shopify for once, and the other two things being that two, I was testing some ISPs for my company Aqua Proxies, which worked flawlessly, as you all saw. And the third being that it's a good kickstart to my new series where I'm turning $1,000 in a bot setup into $5,000 in profit. So as long as these ship, and as long as the duty fees aren't crazy, it should be a nice $1,000 profit from those two, which I am ecstatic about. So going a little bit more into Aqua Proxies, I will have 50 Discord invites in the description below. We do have Resis at the moment, and as you all can tell, we will be adding ISPs very, very soon. It should be right before February. So yeah, hop in there if you all are interested, because I would very highly suggest you all get in there, because these ISPs will go very fast, as I do have a lot of inquiries about them every video and on Discord and everything like that. So lastly, the fact that I would love to show you all the actual Charizard in hand right now, but we will just have to wait until it actually does get shipped out. Hopefully it does ship, but at the moment I have had no cancels, and it is Sunday the 10th. So hopefully we will know by Monday what happens with that. Other than that, I will carry you all on over to the Volts Live Cop, because that was very, very hectic, I would say. But I hope you all did enjoy the first part, and I will see you all right after the Volts.
Yeah, I'm so washed to Shopify now, bro. I ain't done this shit in so long, bro.
Apparently I am too, cause
Waiting for restock.
On what detail?
capture loaded.
Everything. Foot sites. I mean, not foot sites. Shopify. I mean, my bad. I'm tripping.
This is probably from like. Oh my god, this isn't good.
Have y'all carded anything?
No.
So I
Yeah,
thought.
and then I got an expired cart.
No.
Damn.
So that's the equivalent of no.
Yeah, what the hell? That don't sound right. The drop just started. How the fuck your card
You'll get an
expired?
expired cart 30 seconds after a drop starts, dude.
Yeah, that's-
Yeah, I did.
I think
Yeah, you
Valor
did kite in the
fuck-
first plot.
Yeah, I think Valor
Yeah.
fucking up or something.
Yeah, bro, you carded before the drop.
That's some socks you got 2 hours ago.
Hey, Will. Does Nebula have any checkouts on? Let's
Oh my gosh, I just hit on Rush.
You
Oh my
did?
gosh, they have
How?
one.
1, 2,
You have
3,
one?
4.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my.
You hit 4?
Yeah, on Rush. I didn't even know. It
Oh,
just
shit.
all at the same time.
I'm still in queue
What-
for some
what
reason.
sites?
Finish line, JD.
Oh.
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 Count, bro.
Yeah, I'll pass on that.
Yeah, you got it. I let you hold that one.
Wow, what's wrong with finish line and JD?
The fact that they don't fucking shit.
You just running it up for the webhook, huh?
Yeah. God, dude, you're just trying to get checkouts. Oh my god.
You You trying to get pairs or you trying to get checkouts? You trying to get kings or pairs? How we feeling?
Man, bro, Cyber's cooking foots. Not
Attempting
for
payment.
me, but it's cooking.
That's usually like the. Oh yes, my camera bank comes here. Damn the PS5.
Oh shit! I hit one on Kaga.
And Cage.
Oh god.
Why do you say car guys? Just
That's your house is
Cage.
called.
No, it is Kage.
Now it's actually
Fucking
card
Kage.
and shit. All right, let's go. Pussy.
Damn, bro.
Pussy.
what's up with that?
Pussy,
It
pussy.
was like
Going
30
back-
minutes after the drop.
I'm going back to sleep.
Like what?
Where I'm
To be
gonna
fair,
turn the
30 minutes
face cam
isn't
off and
bad.
just let, you know what I mean, put some bread on the 2 capture.
I'm dead.
Dude, it says it's checking out.
Oh, I hit another one.
Hey, Dime,
Shit.
you're only checking out on local or what's up?
Yes, only on local.
I hit a size 18.
Oh.
Fuck.
wait for the bulk buy.
No!
Wait, Trey for the bulk buy.
Yes.
Oh, he won't give a fuck. No, he won't care.
Okay. I just saw it.
Oh,
He'll initially go, "What the fuck is
Oh.
size 18?" But he won't care.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's not.
Trade-
Yeah,
trade-
who's a size 18?
Fuck,
That's
funny.
fun.
NBA
No
players?
way.
What the fuck?
He knows NBA
Nah.
players as well, so you're fine.
He does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, who is
Oh,
this
that's
dude?
funny.
Don't
as
ask questions.
Fuck. That's actually funny. as
That's
shit.
funny.
I hope you all did enjoy that vault part. It was a hectic drop to say the least. A queue was long. Success for me at least was kind of very weary, I would say. But overall, it was a good job to test, especially because dunks have now been pushed back. So it was good just to, get some certain kinks out the way. So when dunks come, we will be very much so ready. So I didn't end up running the ISPs on foot sites just because I didn't even want to run the risk of getting them banned. But I do know that they do work because I did do some testing earlier in the week. Other than that, I did run for slots, and when I hit the size 18, as you all saw, my friend Barry, he was just like, I was up for the bulk buyer, and I was like, yep. And he was like, well, hey, he'll take it. But I think that pair ended up getting canceled because I was running his profiles, and possibly that profile was already used by someone else. But other than that, I hope you all did enjoy the drop. It was very hectic, like I did say. Bots did very well. I think the big ones were Kodai, Mercury. I heard with their new version of 2.0, they did very well. I think Cyber actually did very well. The other main people that usually do well did very well. And then some other bots that did do well were this one beta bot that I'm using that I hopefully can work with in the future. Currently, they do have single-digit users, so it was very nice to get some success on that. I did hit 2 pairs with that, and then 1 pair on Kage. I hope the drop did go well for you all, and expect to see the next episode for the $1,000 to $5,000 series up hopefully in the next 2 to 3 days. I just have to do a little bit more recording, just for the commentary stuff. But other than that, all the laptop stuff is done for that video. So once I get the commentary out the way, I will be pushing that video out to you all. Hopefully Tuesday. Yeah, hopefully Tuesday. Like I said before, hope you all did enjoy the video, and be sure to leave a like on the video as well. Other than that, you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all in the next video.